everybody, welcome back. My name is Sandra and we're going to do a going out makeup, going to karaoke, but not going on a date night. My husband has to work tomorrow, so it's just me, and I thought I would play with my BH palettes. I have not used these. I have 4 of them, but I'm only going to look at 3 of them today because I realized I haven't touched them in a long time, and I like how they look as a monochrome moment, but I'm going to try doing some interesting things. We'll see what I can come up with here. They're all kind of like metallic shades. So I've got Supernova, and it looks like this. Okay, so they're very muted colors, like almost kind of on the bluey cool tone shades. And then we've got Galaxy Chick, which is this. And I love the oranges and that deep purpley plum color in there. That looks so pretty. I was kind of thinking of like orange, but I don't know. And then of course Solar Flare. And Solar Flare has all of like the golden colors and one purple, which is absolutely beautiful. So what I'm going to do is use a brush. I'm running out of clean brushes. Oh my gosh. I'm going to use setting spray, but I'm also going to prime my lids. I'm like really afraid that my shadow is not going to last. Like before I ever invested in like good primers, I always would just put it on my lids and then it would like go everywhere. So I'm going to do my shadow first in this instance because just in case it gets on my face and my makeup, I might use concealer, but I don't know, I feel like I don't need it tonight. But I do want to dress up my eyes, so I'll probably do the shadow and then do liner. So I use setting spray. I think I'll use, not this one, I'm going to use this one here, MAC Fix Plus Stay Over. And I'm going to put it on the brush. And the hard part is determining which color I should go in with. Okay, so you can use water. Water works just as good, if not better. I'm going to go into the Solar Flare palette and go into the shade Heat, I think. This one, where is it? Fireball looks cool too. This one here. It's kind of like a neutral color. This one. I haven't used any of these. Like, isn't that so sad? It's kind of pathetic. Okay, so I'm going to put this on my lid. I'm going to keep this on the middle part of my lid because I honestly don't know where I'm going to go with them. They're all metallics. It's not like I'm adding any like matte base where then you add sparkle after. They're just purely metallic. So I'm putting this onto the middle of the lid. And I'll blend it up into the crease just a little bit. So it seems like a really neutral, maybe a little bit of an orange tone color. Then let's see here. I feel like I need like red and brown or something, but I don't really want to go that route. I also want to do like some kind of purple. Okay, I'm really obsessed with this palette. This is Supernova. And these 2 colors, yeah, they're kind of purple. This one's Aries and Neutron. So Aries is here, Neutron is here. I kind of like the idea of that, so maybe I'll add that to the outer corner. I'm going to spray my brush again. So I'm going to start with Neutron just to see how it looks. Oh, that's pretty dark. Okay, so I'm just going to pat it on. I'm not blending yet. When I do blend it, I will go in with the lighter color and blend it like outward instead of blending it inward because I don't want that dark purple color dominating my eye. So this is Neutron. It doesn't even seem to be like the darkest. Aries seems darker, if that makes sense. Cool. Okay, looks kind of cool. I feel like I need to line my lash, like my lash line, or my waterline, sorry. So I'm going to go in with my Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in the shade 100 whatever black, and I'm going to line my water lines. So you can see it's like really, really dark. I'm going to take this purple color and I'm going to run it along the lower outside lash line here. It's like the one thing that I really appreciate is like a really sparkly metallic color along a lower lash line where there's black liner. It just looks so good. Okay, so I'm probably going to have to switch brushes after this. And I feel like I need to do brows. Like I feel like, oh, this is so backwards right now. And then I feel like I'm not doing my makeup right, and then it doesn't look like glam. I feel like the more concealer or foundation you use and the powder and stuff, then your makeup looks way more high glam than just going in with shadow. But I'll continue like applying product until I'm happy. Okay, so eyebrows are good. I'm just going to add some 24-hour brow setter gel. Okay, so they look good. I'm going to finish the eyes. So, new brush. Okay, so I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush, go back into Solar Flare, into the shade Heat, and I'm using this dry, and I'm going to blend between these two colors here. I'm just blending the edge where they meet. I'm not going into the dark purple color at all. I feel like I have to go out a little bit because the color is not really showing up that much. So we're just going to take that same blending brush, go over that one more time, and then also blend towards the edge. Okay, so I'm just kind of like adding and then blending. Okay, and then I don't know if I should go orange. I feel like I need to go like maybe gold. So I'm going to add with a different brush. I'm going to wet this one too. I'm going to go into Wavelength, which is like this bright gold in the Solar Flare, and add that to my inner corner. It's very metallic gold. It's not really showing up as much as I thought it would though. Okay, and then the bottom, I think I'm just going to run that same purple along the whole length of it. So I really like how that looks. Okay, and I'll let it dry. And while I'm waiting for that to dry, I am going to put a little bit of concealer along my cheeks, just a little bit, and I'll put a little bit right underneath my eye. And then we're going to set with a little bit of powder. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Halo Glow. And then I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty bronzer, and I'm going to bronze everything up. Okay, now my eyes are dry, so I'm going to go in with my dry blending brush, and I'm going to blend out the bottom lash line. Okay, and then we're going to line the upper lash line with Better Than Sex by Too Faced. This is like my current favorite. Packaging is cheap, but the product is amazing. Pat McGrath, the Bridgeton collection. And I'm going to go into the deep plum shade, and then we're going to add that as a topper. I love this color. It's so rich and so pretty. And I just blend it right up into the temple. Okay, and then I'm adding a little bit of this color. Okay, and then we're going to do mascara, lashes, and I'll be right back. Yeah, those eyelashes went on so good. So easily. Sorry, I moved the camera around a lot. I'm just going to blend out my cheeks a little bit. And then we're going to spray the face. I haven't put anything on the lips, so I'm kind of feeling that look. Kind of feeling it. I don't know. I like the natural color of my lips, and then I always feel like I put put something on them and then I hate it. So I think I'll leave it for now. I'm going to use some MAC Fix Plus for my setting spray. Or you know what, maybe we'll use Charlotte Tilbury because it's more of a fine mist. I'll put my hair back and then spray my face. We're going to air dry it with my hands. I don't have a fan yet. I did buy a fan, but one of those like folding fans, and the thing broke. So don't buy folding fans from Amazon. Just saying. So we do need a little bit of highlighter. I'm going to go in with my Champagne Glow by Charlotte Tilbury. It's the Hollywood Glowglide Face Architect highlighter. It is such a long name. I do not know why they called it that, but it is what it is. So take my little itsy bitsy highlighter brush, put in the Cupid's bow, chin, tip of the nose, bridge of the nose, brows, cheeks. Going over the cheeks with my blush brush again. Okay, and then I'm also going to put this on the inner corners of my eyes because I really don't have any highlighter there. I'm going to use my little itty bitty highlighter brush for this step. It's honestly not that dramatic there. I do have brighter highlighters, but I'm not really looking for brighter. A little bit on the brow arch here. And I think that's it. Alright, so that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it was a quicker one. Please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you're new, I would love if you would consider subscribing. Click on the bell button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.